How to record yourself playing Roblox? Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to record yourself playing Roblox. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So perhaps you have tried to use the screen recorder of your mobile, but you just can't record your screen, okay? So if you want to record both your screen and yourself, you must go to your Play Store and look for ADV screen recorder. Okay, so you have to install it into your Android. And now I'm gonna open and show you some settings. I must accept these by now. And now tap on the three dots on top of your screen and go to settings. So first of all, the video resolution. Use screen resolution. It's going to be the best for your screen. And if you scroll down, you're going to find audio settings, record audio microphone. So you can record also the internal audio. So if you are playing Roblox, but you are talking about gameplay, I really recommend you by now use your microphone. And obviously the sounds of the game are going to be catch it by your microphone too, but not in the best resolution. But by now it's gonna be good. And there's an option that says overlay camera settings, so you must activate it. And in that way, go to advanced overlay camera settings, so you can control the camera size of it. I'm gonna let it as default, and the camera opacity, if perhaps you don't want the full opacity on it. Okay, so I'm going back and now may click on the adding symbol to begin my process. Okay, obviously I must to give some permissions, so this is going to be loading for some minute. To select this and load display over the apps, in this case to record myself, and also the screen recorder to take pictures and record a video, so only while using the app, and the microphone too, and access to my folders allow. Okay, so you can start now, and as you can see there is a camera at the bottom of my screen, and I have a green circle that is gonna show me different options. I can stop this video and record later, or stop definitely, and also activate or deactivate my camera as you are looking right now. So this is how you can record yourself playing Roblox. All you have to do is go to your Roblox game, open a server or a game, and then you can start recording yourself on camera at the same time. Okay, so this is how to record yourself playing Roblox. Thanks for watching.